Everyone wants to cash in on the AI gold rush. And why wouldn't they? It has never been easier to create any app you can imagine or generate photorealistic images and videos with AI. Your grandma's probably vibe coding a meditation app right now. But seriously, with so much noise, it's hard to know where to start. That's why I'm sharing what actually worked for me. I now run an AI integration and automations company that helps small to medium-sized businesses increase revenue with AI. And let me tell you, there is a massive opportunity for creative professionals who know how to use AI marketing tools. Massive. That's because OpenAI is rolling out paid ads inside of ChatGPT right now. But most businesses have no idea where to begin when it comes to creating content for large language models. That's where you, armed with a tool like Freepik, could cash in. Freepik lets you create professional ads, product photos, and entire marketing campaigns, all from one workspace. This solves the friction of jumping between browser tabs or context switching. But what about the expensive subscriptions for AI image generators, upscalers, and content creation tools? Well, Freepik handles that too. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and switching between different tools, you get everything you need in one unified workspace. All your AI image generation, editing, and content creation capabilities live in a single platform that keeps your creative flow uninterrupted. This isn't an ad or hyperbole. This is me genuinely excited to show you how you can use Freepik Spaces to pay for itself. Here are 8 ways you can use this tool to turn ideas into actual money. Think of Freepik Spaces as a digital whiteboard where every AI tool you need lives in one place. Instead of jumping between 5 different apps, you connect building blocks called nodes on one infinite canvas. Type a prompt here, generate an image there, turn it into a video over here, all connected, all in one screen. Okay, income solution number 1, the ChatGPT ads opportunity. Listen, I'm not happy that OpenAI is putting ads inside of ChatGPT, but since we can't change that, we might as well capitalize on it. Brands are going to need creative professionals who can design and produce ads specifically for large language models like ChatGPT. That's a brand new job. And the best tool I've found for doing this is Freepik Spaces. Let me paint the picture for you. ChatGPT has over 800 million average weekly users. That's bigger than Twitter, bigger than Reddit, and as of 3 days ago, they started showing ads to free users in the United States. Now think about this. When Google first launched search ads, the people who figured it out became millionaires. When Facebook launched ads, same thing. We're watching that exact moment happen right now with AI. But here's the problem. These ads look nothing like you're used to. They're not banner ads, they're not video pre-rolls. They are contextual. They appear as separate snippets inside conversations, and they need to feel native to the AI experience. That means brands need a completely new creative professional, someone who can design ads that work inside a chatbot, and that someone could be you. When you create designs and marketing assets inside Freepik, you can use your creations commercially according to Freepik's license terms. That means you can sell it, or use it for clients, or build a whole new business on it. Sky's the limit, people. The fastest way to get up and running is by using Freepik templates. Once you're in Freepik, choose Home from the side panel, and that will bring you to the home screen, and then you'll scroll down under Get Inspired, choose Templates. You can then search templates, use a template like Product to Ad Campaign or Batch Ad Variation for ChatGPT ads. Let's do Product to Ad Campaign, use. See at the bottom here, it says Make It Yours. Start using this template, and you will choose Use Template. It duplicates it to your workspace so that you can upload your product photos and create the final ChatGPT ad. You could charge $500 to $2,000 per campaign. Brands are spending $200,000 plus just to be in the ChatGPT pilot. They'll likely pay a fraction of that for great creatives. So while most people are learning how to use ChatGPT, smart people are learning how to sell inside of ChatGPT. Okay, this next one pairs perfectly with method number 1. Number 2, A/B test ad variant packages. Every smart business tests multiple versions of their ads. On ChatGPT, for example, brands need to test which product image plus copy combination gets the most clicks inside of AI conversations. That means they do dozens of on-brand variation tests fast. You can use Spaces' node-based workflow to take one product image and generate 10 to 20 ad variants in minutes. Different backgrounds, lighting angles, and copy, all connected in one canvas and done in minutes. As an add-on service, you could also create a workflow that quickly translates ads into other languages for different markets. For that batch ad variation, you can upload the image of the product that you want to create A/B variations of the ad for. And then through this list, we are labeling different types of variations of this ad. So I have the hand holding the tumbler drink, then there's hand holding an ice cream, hand holding a burger. This is just an example, but you would put in the different ad variations that you want to see. From here, this should generate the different images over here in our output list. It's pulling the instructions from this list, filtering it through an image generator, and then giving us the results over here of the different assets or ads. So you run it once and you're gonna get all of those variations on one output. Okay, you see we have the drink, holding the ice cream, and it changed it to my hand, holding the ice cream, and then the burger again. And that list can contain 10, 20 variations of whatever you need. In this example, you see we put the purse in, but there's different images of the purse because we want 3 different purse variations, but we want the background to be the same. So here you see the different variations. You could charge $50 to $150 per variant set. At that rate, 10 clients might be equivalent to $500 to $1,500 a week on variant work alone. These, of course, are just estimates and not guarantees, but the potential value is clear. Number 3, AI product photography for e-commerce. E-commerce brands spend $1,000 plus per product photo shoot. With Freepik, you could upload a simple product photo and generate professional lifestyle shots in realistic AI-generated backgrounds in seconds. I also recently discovered a new tool inside of Freepik that lets you batch generate product shots from various camera angles. Let me show you. For this one, you'll go to the left sidebar, select all tools, and then choose change camera. You can see I tried this with a few different ones before, but we'll upload an image. I'll upload this AI image of me that I created using Gemini. So you can drag this to rotate around the image and see, maybe we want one from the side over here, slightly higher, looking down. You can set the zoom vertical. This just adjusts as you rotate, and then generate. See about one from back here. You just put this down to 2 cameras, generate, and now we have all of these different angles from the same image. So one image, multiple different angles. Look at how cool this is, you guys. Amazing, right? So just from adjusting the camera angles and selecting how many cameras we want to use for this, we get all these different shots from one image. Imagine what you can do for your products or clients. You could charge $100 to $300 per product. After all, you're saving your clients roughly 70 to 90% compared to a real photo shoot. They'll love you. You don't need a camera, you don't need a studio. You don't even need a photographer. You need Freepik and a phone. Solution number 4, social media content packages. This is the one I'd start with today if I were building a freelance business from zero. Small businesses need content but can't afford agencies. Use Spaces' social media template to turn one product photo into a full month of branded posts. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, all auto-resized. Okay, under templates, type in social media, and there's so much more than just resizing that you can do with social media inside of Freepik. For example, plan social media calendar. Use. Now I fill out these fields about my client. Brand identity will say Zero Fear Pediatric Dentist in Miami, Florida. For main objectives, we'll say predictable inbound patient acquisitions, increase visibility and trust, drive action with reliable call to actions. Target audience is K through 12 parents with young kids who need pediatric dentistry. For the content plan, Instagram Reels and YouTube long form content or educational videos. The time frame, let's say 60-day. Tone and style, playful, upbeat, fast-paced, educational. Okay, run template. This is gonna help us just plan out everything, and it's inside of Freepik, so you don't have to go into ChatGPT or switch tabs in your browser. It's all right here for us, and then we can pull it back into our Freepik space to actually create this content. It includes optimal posting times, engagement tips. Amazing. Check this out. So with this multi-format social media template, you can put your image in that you're gonna use for social media ad, and then you put the different aspect ratios and run it one time, and it automatically outputs those different images or ads in those aspect ratios. One for Instagram Reels, one for a YouTube community post, one for LinkedIn. You have it all done. You can also connect it to a video mode and turn some of those into videos or Reels versus just Instagram posts. So from one image, you can have an Instagram post that's static, and then you can also have a reel or a video with sound effects, all done here within Freepik Spaces. You could charge $200 to $500 a month per client. At that rate, 5 local business clients could mean $1,000 to $2,500 a month of reoccurring revenue. Imagine walking into a local coffee shop and saying, "I'll handle all of your social media for $300 a month." You just created their entire month of content in 20 minutes. Yeah. Income solution number 5, video ad creation for small businesses. Video ads are outperforming traditional ads on the internet right now in a big way, yet most small businesses can't afford to make them. That's because most of those businesses don't know how easy it is to create professional AI videos. With this Freepik workflow I'm about to show you, you can turn static product photos into scroll-stopping video ads in minutes, animate product reveals, add motion, create commercial quality clips, all without a camera or editing software. Okay, let's say I wanted to turn a static photo or a few static photos into a cinematic video. It's so easy in Freepik. I have all of these static images, right? And I'm going to right-click anywhere in the space and then choose Video Generator. And then you can click on the space somewhere and then highlight all of them by holding down the click and then choosing this Quick Connections tool, and image list is what we want. So now we have all of these in a list. Next, here's the video generator that we're gonna use. Pull this over here, and we will take this image and add it as the starting image. And then we'll type a prompt. The camera circles around the person in one fluid motion, and it will give us different videos at those different starting points. You can click here to select which model of video generator you want it to use. We'll do auto for now since it's a demo, but you could choose better models like the newer ones. Kling is great. Also, Runway Gen 4.5 is phenomenal, and Seed Dance 1.5 Pro. And then you can turn on sound effects with those as well. But for this, we'll choose auto and change the aspect ratio to 19:6. And then this one lets you select the duration of how long you want it to be. And we're gonna go ahead and run this. What you'll notice is, scroll over, it'll create the different videos. So we won't just get one video, we're gonna get multiple videos from just running this one time. So much easier than using a standalone video generator. Plus you get to select from all of the top models in the world right now. Easy to see why I love Freepik. Okay, let's see, we have some of them are starting. So this one starts from that perspective. We see it turns, great. This one starts from the back. Doesn't look like me, but it'll work. Then you can export all of them at once by hovering here and clicking that, or you can click into them individually and select the download button from the top right corner, and that will download just that single image. You could charge between $150 to $500 per video. A real videographer costs 5 times that, meaning you're the affordable, fast, AI-powered alternative. It's a no-brainer for companies. Okay, here's my bonus solution: brand identity plus character design packages. I'm throwing in this bonus solution because this is where you go from freelancer to creative partner, and this has staying power. Use the character generator template in Spaces to build consistent brand mascots in multiple poses and expressions. Layer in branded social media templates, ad creatives, and style guides. Then deliver a full brand identity kit. Boom! You just packaged yourself as the go-to expert for their entire AI ad strategy.
To generate consistent characters, you'll choose Image Generator from the side panel, then choose the model you want and click Character, and go up here to the top right and select New Character. Then we'll give your character name, AI Optimist, then gender, female, and then you're going to upload your reference image. You can upload more than one image. Actually, the more images, the better. See if I have any in here I could use. Surprise face. For consistent characters, you really want up to 10 images, so the more that you can upload, the better. Okay, I think that should be plenty. Then you select Run, and you're gonna get your consistent character. You can also train a model, which gives you much more accurate results, more accurate facial features, but for that, you're gonna need up to 25 images. You could charge between $500 and $2,000 for that initial brand kit. Then roughly $300 to $800 a month as a retainer for ongoing content creation. That's reoccurring revenue that could compound over time. Bottom line, if you want to monetize your design skills and build sustainable income from your creativity, Freepik is the best way that I've found to do this. So there it is, 5 real ways to turn your ideas into income using Freepik Spaces. From creating ads for ChatGPT and Gemini to A/B test variants, AI product photography, social media packages, video ads, and brand identity work. Look, AI is everywhere right now, but you don't need to build your own AI app to cash in on the AI gold rush. Instead, help businesses create content for AI platforms. Freepik Spaces makes that easy. The tools are free to start. You don't need a design degree. You don't need expensive software. You just need Freepik Spaces and the willingness to start. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, smash that subscribe button.